If you want to use voice typing on the Pixel 9a, you have to start by opening Settings. Now you will have to scroll down and just go for System Settings. Go to the keyboard. Now you'll have to move into the on-screen keyboard and select Gboard. By the way, at this time you can also turn on the Google Voice Typing right now. If you turn it off, or if it is turned off as default, then select Gboard and move into the voice typing. Now click on this switcher to use voice typing on your keyboard, and you can even get a faster voice typing. So it will download a faster, more accurate way to recognize our voice. It's actually really useful. There's also some additional options, but now if you want to use it, just open your keyboard and click on the microphone icon. If it is not available for some reason, just search somewhere here. Now just tap on it, accept this while using the application. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. What is going on? That's the test of the voice typing on the Pixel 9a. Now tap on it again to turn it off, and as you can see, it's recognized my voice pretty good actually. That recognizes everything that I just said.